Okay, the next thing that you're going to want to know how to do is how to narrate your scripted pieces. You could do this either directly into Audacity, or you could do this on your phone or on a recording device and then move it over. There's different benefits to each of those. If you're doing it on your phone, you can do it wherever. If you're doing it directly in Audacity, you don't have to do the ingesting and importing process, so you can figure it out. This is largely about how to narrate directly into Audacity first, and then it'll also be about tricks that you need to do takes of your script. The first half of this, or this particular video, will be about how to go about recording directly into Audacity. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you're taking things in with the correct equipment. So I'm going to hit Command Spacebar if you're on a Mac. I'm going to put in sound, which is in your system preferences. System preferences will open up, and the sound panel will open up. So in your output field, I'm currently using a Rode Lav mic. I need a splitter to do that. Those are the mics that I have to check out. Headphones are coming out of the headphone port. And then with input, I have an external microphone, which is the lav mic, coming into the microphone port. You can see that I'm hitting the very top of my gain when I tilt my head down towards the mic. So I kind of want it to be around here, which seems, when I lift my head up and I'm not staring down at my computer, it seems about right. I'm going to lower this a tiny bit. It's not exactly science, but it seems to be about right. So I'm going to close this. The other thing that you can do is in Audacity, if you hit click to start monitoring, you don't want it to get it all in the way up into this red, but you want it to stay relatively green here. That seems about right. Otherwise, you can also move this gain slider back and forth. I'm going to move it back to about here. If I hit record or R without a command or anything, it'll automatically start recording in a brand new track. That is what you want. Because I don't have a script to read, I am just going to read a paragraph from a book called Exit West. And that's what will happen. So this is not about doing takes or anything, but just to show you that you can record. So if I hit R, oh, just kidding. I would want to close this. I would want to mute all of my previous tracks, and then I would want to hit record. Okay, from here you can tell that I was recording wherever my mouse was. This is just generally how you would record. I'm going to stop by hitting spacebar. And if I wanted to keep recording, if I hit R again, it would create a brand new track, and it wouldn't actually let me continue in this same audio track. So to do that, you want to do append record, which you would hit Shift R, and it would just start right where we left off here. I'm not currently recording in Audacity, but if I hit Shift R, then it will let me continue from exactly where I left off in this same track, and I can keep recording this as I'm talking, blah, 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 and it'll go on forever. I'm going to stop this now.